How to increase speaker volume in Windows 11 laptop. So if you want to increase your speaker volume in your Windows laptop, then what you need to do is first, you just need to press Windows and R keys together, and here you will have your run, right? So under that, you need to type Control and click on OK. And once you click on Control and OK, now here it will take you to the control panel where you just need to simply go and click on Sound. Under Sound, you need to simply go for the speakers. So double click on the speakers, or you can simply right click on your speakers, and here you will have your properties. Go for properties and it will take you to the same page. So under the properties, if you have the enhancement tab, you just need to go for enhancement, which will be on the middle of your screen. And once you're on the enhancement, make sure that the option of disable under the sound effects is not checked. So if you have an option of sound effects, then make sure that it is not checked. If it is checked, then simply uncheck that. And if you have loudness equalization option, then you just need to simply go for loudness equalization and click on that option also. And make sure that your volumes are to the fullest. Click on OK. And if you've made any changes, then click on Apply and again click on OK. So that's how you can increase the speaker volume in your Windows 11 laptop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.